Welcome to my honest review of Smallpdf, one of the most popular online tools for handling PDF files. Smallpdf offers a variety of features aimed at simplifying how you edit, convert, compress, and even sign PDF documents. Whether you're a student, a business professional, or just someone needing to modify a file quickly, Smallpdf promises to make it easier. When you first land on the Smallpdf website, you're greeted with a sleek and simple interface. The homepage clearly highlights its most used tools, such as compressing, converting, editing, and merging PDFs. The platform supports various file types for conversion, including Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and JPG. The drag-and-drop interface makes it incredibly user-friendly. Once you upload a file, the processing speed is quite fast for most tasks. Compressing files to reduce their size, while maintaining decent quality is something Smallpdf does really well. Converting files from PDF to Word or vice versa is also fairly accurate, though some formatting issues can occur with complex documents. Editing tools are basic but functional. You can add text, images, or shapes, but don't expect anything too advanced. It's great for quick annotations or small adjustments. Smallpdf also offers electronic signing capabilities, which are easy to use. Simply upload the document, add your signature, and download the signed file. It's straightforward and helpful for quick document signing tasks. Ever got a file you just can't edit? Frustrating, right? Not anymore. Clipper makes editing, converting, and signing effortless in seconds. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. The free version of Smallpdf provides limited daily usage, which can be frustrating if you have a lot of files to process. To unlock unlimited access, you'll need to subscribe to their premium plan. It's reasonably priced, but if you only need it occasionally, the free version might not be enough. One downside is that Smallpdf is heavily cloud-based, which means if you're working with sensitive or confidential documents, you might have privacy concerns. Additionally, batch processing is only available in the premium plan, which might be a deal breaker for those needing to process multiple files at once. Overall, Smallpdf offers a solid set of tools for basic PDF editing and conversion. It's quick, user-friendly, and convenient for general use. However, if you're looking for advanced editing features or need to process a lot of files regularly, you may find it somewhat limited. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.